beautiful people, this is Glam Alina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and just tap on that subscribe button. So today's video will be about DIY make your own Halloween costume. So let's get on to it. Now let's go shopping in your closet. Number 1, always start out with the base, because the base is like the foundation to each Halloween costume, because it won't be a Halloween costume without one. For example, if you want your Halloween costume to be black, your base should be black. If you want your Halloween costume to be maroon, your base should be maroon. If you want to have your Halloween costume to be red, then your base should be red. Number 2, use some tights because they actually make every outfit look good. And then if you want to wear shoes, make sure your shoes match with your tights to make your legs look longer, you know. Number 3, never forget about accessories, because accessories literally finishes off a person's look and a person's Halloween costume. Also, it won't confuse people as much. For example, put on some panda ears, you're a panda. Put some flowers on this, and you're a fairy princess. Put a headband with Minnie Mouse ears on it, you're a Minnie Mouse. Have a cheer bow, be a cheerleader. So many different options to try. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, tap on that bell for more notifications, and see you next time. XO.